Hello students, I am Dr. Sharata Shankar Teda from JSS Arts, Science and Commerce College Gokak. I am here to just give you the syllabus of Rani Chennamma University Belgavi, which has been prescribed for the third semester, that is optional English students. So you will be studying English literature, particularly Romantic and Victorian era, and also there is a representative text. We have as usual 80 plus 20 marks portion. So 20 marks internal, and you will be writing exam for the 80 marks. So for the section A, you have history of English literature. It carries 30 marks. Under this history of English literature, you are studying different topics, just like salient features of Romanticism. And the second topic is Romantic poetry. It all consists about the Wordsworth, Coleridge, first generation, second generation, their works and their contribution to the Romantic poetry. Then we have Romantic prose. Prose contains both novel and the essays. The next fourth one is features of Victorian poetry. So 19th century has been divided into two parts like Romantic and Victorian. You are also studying features of the Victorian poetry. Then Victorian poetry separately. Then again Victorian prose. Then the Victorian novel. So this is all under the section A. Then section B consists of selected poems, which again carries 30 marks. So you are going to study the poems like Tables Turned, which has been written by William Wordsworth, a great poet. Then you are going to study Ode to the West Wind by P.B. Shelley. The third poem, She Walks in Beauty by Lord Byron. All these are the romantic poets. Then Ode to Autumn by John Keats. Then there is Lotus Eaters by Lord Tennyson. Then The Last Ride Together, a very romantic poem by Robert Browning. Then The Scholar Gypsy by Matthew Arnold. Then you have Nature's Cautioning by Thomas Hardy. So these are the different poems which have been selected under the section B. It carries 30 marks. Then you have section C, particularly consisting of modern English grammar. It carries 20 marks. Under this, you are going to study sentence and its constituents. It will be having 2 marks questions here. Then sentence pattern 4 marks. Modifiers, subordination and coordination, then kinds of the sentences and the conversion of the sentences. Then you have homonymous and homophones. So this all is studied under the section C. So you will be having section A, section B and section C. This will be for the 80 marks and 20 marks internal as usual. So today we will be having one of the important topic, that is from the history of English literature. Previously you have studied up to the Restoration. Then we will be studying now from the 19th century. We will be studying the salient features of the Romanticism. Okay, thank you.